Welcome. We're here to embark on a journey toward a healthier, happier you. This journey is not just about changing what you eat, but also about transforming your relationship with food. It's a journey that begins on your plate, with the vibrant colors and fresh flavors of nature's bounty. Food, as we know, is more than just sustenance. It's a way to connect with loved ones, to celebrate life's moments, and to nourish our souls. It's the fuel that powers our bodies and minds, giving us the energy to live our best lives. This guide is your roadmap to navigating the world of healthy eating. It's designed to help you make informed choices, whether you're at the grocery store or planning your meals. It's packed with practical tips and easy-to-understand advice tailored for every age and stage of life. From young children to seniors, everyone can benefit from eating well. We understand that healthy eating can sometimes feel like a puzzle. With so many options and conflicting information, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, but we're here to simplify it for you. Our goal is to make healthy eating accessible and enjoyable for everyone. We'll break down the science and provide you with actionable steps. You'll learn how to read labels, understand nutritional information, and cook delicious, healthy meals. Join us as we unlock the secrets to lifelong well-being through the power of food. Together, we'll explore the benefits of different foods and how they can improve your health. Are you ready? Let's begin this exciting journey towards a healthier, happier you. Let's embrace the joy of healthy eating and make every meal a celebration of life.
Why is healthy eating so crucial? The answer is straightforward. It's the cornerstone of a healthy life. Our diet influences every facet of our well-being. Nutritious eating supplies our bodies with essential nutrients to function optimally. It energizes us, bolsters our immune system, and helps ward off chronic diseases. Think of your body as a vehicle. Just like a vehicle needs the right fuel to operate efficiently, our bodies require nutritious foods. When we nourish our bodies with healthy foods, we feel our best. From our hearts to our brains, healthy eating benefits every organ and system in our bodies. It's an investment in our present and future health.
Children are bundles of energy, constantly growing and developing. Their nutritional needs are unique, requiring a diet rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and calories for growth. Focus on providing a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and dairy products. These foods provide the building blocks for healthy bones, muscles, and a developing brain. Encourage healthy eating habits early on by making meal times fun and engaging. Involve children in meal planning and preparation, allowing them to choose from a variety of healthy options. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Swap sugary drinks for water or milk, offer fruits and vegetables as snacks, and limit processed foods.
The teenage years are a period of rapid growth and development, making healthy eating more crucial than ever. Teenagers need increased calories and nutrients to support their changing bodies. Focus on providing nutrient-rich foods that support growth spurts and hormonal changes. Calcium-rich foods like dairy products and leafy greens are vital for strong bones. Iron is another essential nutrient, especially for teenage girls. Include iron-rich foods like lean meats, beans, and fortified cereals in their diet. Encourage teenagers to make healthy choices when eating out with friends. Opt for grilled or baked options over fried foods, and choose water or milk over sugary drinks.
Section 5. Healthy eating in adulthood. As we move into adulthood, our nutritional needs continue to change. Maintaining a healthy weight, managing stress, and preventing chronic diseases become more crucial. Focus on eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide essential nutrients and support overall well-being. Portion control is essential for maintaining a healthy weight. Be mindful of portion sizes and avoid mindless eating. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness signals. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Limit sugary drinks, processed foods, and unhealthy fats, which can lead to weight gain and health issues.
Section 6. Nutrition for seniors, maintaining vitality. As we age, our metabolism naturally slows down, and our nutritional needs change once again. It's important to adapt our diet to meet these evolving needs. Maintaining a healthy weight, preserving muscle mass, and supporting cognitive function become priorities. Regular physical activity, even light exercises, can help in achieving these goals. Focus on nutrient-dense foods that provide essential vitamins and minerals without excess calories. Fresh fruits and vegetables are excellent choices, offering a variety of nutrients and antioxidants. Choose lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat dairy products. These foods support overall health and help maintain energy levels throughout the day. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially since our sense of thirst may decline with age. Proper hydration is essential for digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, constipation, and other health issues. It's crucial to recognize the signs of dehydration and take steps to prevent it. Bone health is crucial in our senior years. Engaging in weight-bearing exercises and maintaining good posture can help strengthen bones and reduce the risk of fractures. Ensure an adequate intake of calcium and vitamin D through foods like dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified foods. These nutrients are vital for maintaining bone density and overall skeletal health.
Section 7. Practical tips for every kitchen. Healthy eating can be simple and quick. Here are some practical tips to make healthy eating effortless. Plan your meals in advance. This helps you make better choices and avoid impulsive, unhealthy meals. Cook more meals at home. This allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes. Make healthy swaps. Replace unhealthy ingredients with healthier alternatives. For instance, use Greek yogurt instead of sour cream or whole wheat flour instead of white flour. Read food labels carefully. Pay attention to serving sizes, calories, and added sugars. Don't deprive yourself. Allow yourself occasional treats in moderation.
Section 8. Overcoming obstacles to healthy eating. In this section, we will explore practical strategies to help you maintain a healthy diet despite the challenges you may face. We understand that life can get busy, and healthy eating may not always be easy. Juggling work, family, and other responsibilities can make it seem impossible to find the time or energy to prepare nutritious meals. Here are some tips to overcome common obstacles. By planning ahead and making small changes, you can make healthy eating a manageable part of your daily routine. Lack of time. Prepare meals in advance or opt for quick and easy recipes. Batch cooking on weekends or your days off can save you time during the week. Consider using a slow cooker or instant pot for hands-off cooking. Budget constraints. Healthy eating doesn't have to be expensive. Look for sales and discounts and buy in bulk when possible. Frozen fruits and vegetables can be a cost-effective and nutritious option. Plan your meals around affordable staples like beans, lentils, and seasonal fruits and vegetables. These items are not only budget-friendly but also packed with essential nutrients. Eating out. Make healthier choices when dining out. Research restaurant menus in advance to find healthier options, and don't be afraid to ask for modifications to suit your dietary needs. Choose grilled or baked options over fried foods, and ask for your food to be prepared without added salt or butter. Opt for dishes that include plenty of vegetables and whole grains. Emotional eating. Find healthier ways to cope with stress and emotions, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. Engaging in hobbies or activities you enjoy can also help distract you from emotional eating triggers. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection.
Section 9. Staying motivated on your health journey. Changing eating habits takes time and effort. Here are some tips to stay motivated on your health journey. Set realistic goals. Start with small, achievable changes and gradually work your way up. Find a support system. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family who encourage your healthy habits. Track your progress. Keep a food journal or use a tracking app to monitor your food intake and progress. Celebrate your successes. Reward yourself for reaching milestones, no matter how small.
Section 10, a call to action. Embrace a healthier lifestyle. We've explored the importance of healthy eating for every age and provided practical tips to make it a reality in your life. Now it's time to put this knowledge into action. Embrace a healthier lifestyle starting today. Make gradual changes to your diet, incorporate regular exercise into your routine, and prioritize your well-being. Remember, small changes over time lead to significant results. Every healthy choice you make is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Section 11, a final word. Your health is a journey, not a destination. As we conclude this journey into the world of healthy eating, remember that your health is a lifelong pursuit. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way, but don't get discouraged. Focus on progress, not perfection. Every meal is a new opportunity to nourish your body and make healthy choices. Listen to your body, honor your hunger and fullness cues, and enjoy the journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you.